Hello YouTube, this is 2012 Soulful. Today I'm going to show you how to replace electrical wall outlet here. First thing you have to do is strip back all three of your wires unless the ground wire is a bare copper wire. And what you do is you have the screw right here and you just clamp or screw down your wires inside that wall outlet like this. The green one is your ground. The white wire is your neutral wire, which goes to the silver screw. So do it like that. The green wire goes to the green screw, and black wire goes to the brass colored screw, or gold, whatever you want to call it. Alright, like that. And if you notice on the sides here, it has two silver screws. Doesn't matter which screw you clamp down your copper wire to, because they're both connected with that little brass piece right there. Same way here on the hot side of this outlet, and there's just one ground screw. What you do next is you just push all your wires back in here like that. Just like that. And you screw the outlet back down to the box here. See. Just screw it down. Got the top screw here and also a bottom screw down there. This part takes a couple of seconds here to screw it all the way down. Get the bottom screw here. Alright, once you get the wall outlet in, you need to replace or put on your outlet cover. Let's see, hang on just a second, guys. Alright, and that has a little flathead screw on it. So just screw it back down to the outlet here. Like that. And that's how y'all replace an electrical wall outlet. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and it's informational. This is a 2012 Soulful. Thank you for watching. Do this at your own risk, by the way, and make sure the power is off. Anyways, rate, subscribe, and comment, or like, subscribe, and comment rather. This is 2012 Soulful. Thank you for watching.